If you own a 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 or are about to take ownership of one, you're going to want to watch today's video because there's an issue going on with Bluelink and these new cars that you need to be aware of. So if you want to find out, stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's the Ioniq guy. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. My name is Corbin. I cover all things Hyundai, Kia, Genesis, EV related. And today we're talking about brand new 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5s, specifically with the Bluelink telematics system. So if you're not familiar with Bluelink, Bluelink is the service that allows you to wirelessly monitor your car, control your car, and such and such. So this issue has been going on for probably a few weeks now. I've had multiple owners of 2024 Ioniq 5s reach out to me and tell me about what's going on. So new for 2024 Ioniq 5 is Bluelink Plus. Now, older Ioniq 5s got 3 years of Bluelink included with them, and that allowed them to remotely control their car and such. Now going forward, new 2024 Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6 have what's called Bluelink Plus, which is now a complimentary service that you're going to get for the lifetime of ownership of the vehicle. Now, if you sell the car, somebody else buys it, they're going to have to pay $12.99 per month for Bluelink Plus Advanced. There's two tiers. There's basic Bluelink Plus, and then there's the Advanced. And to be perfectly honest, the Advanced is probably the only one that would give you many of the features that you would actually want to use, such as remote starting the car, remote unlocking and locking the doors, locating the car if you're parked somewhere. Those are the things that are included with the Advanced level of Bluelink Plus. So anyway, if you just bought one of these cars, you have it for the life of ownership. But what's going on is it looks like people are having their dealership activate Bluelink Plus. This will activate the 4G connection of the car to wireless cell phone towers, and then you should theoretically be able to use the app. But what's going on is people are activating it, and then the very next day, it's no longer working. And I had an owner send me a video of what he sees in his car when he goes into the Bluelink settings screen. And you can see it says his Bluelink subscription is now deactivated the next day after he bought it. So now he can't connect to the network and use Bluelink. Now I had another owner reach out to me with the same problem. They said they've called Bluelink, talked to them, they don't know what's going on. Now when looking at my car, which has standard Bluelink, you will see that that expiration date is the date 3 years out from when I purchased my car, which was the end of January of 2022. So it expires the end of January in 2025. Now, even if I press the button to activate service on my car, it says connected. So the activate service button in my car actually works, but as you can see from his video, it doesn't do anything to get him reconnected to the network. So something seems to be going on, and I would guess that it has to do with the server side thing of Hyundai's network and how it's connecting to the car. So this person who called Bluelink and talked to them said that they put in a ticket so that a technician would look further into the problem. So yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything that the consumer can do on their side of things other than try to bring attention to Hyundai Bluelink. And I know that I have higher ups at Hyundai that watch my videos. So if you're watching this video, please look into this, see if you can do something for these 2024 Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6 owners, because this sounds very frustrating. The last thing we want is for people who just bought their car to have an immediate bad experience the very next day. That's not a good way to start with a new customer. If you are a 2024 Ioniq 5 or Ioniq 6 owner and are experiencing this issue, leave a comment on this video so that we can show Hyundai how widespread this issue is and hopefully get this resolved as soon as possible, because it sounds like it's just a simple software issue. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know about this, bring some attention to it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my stores in the description below if you're looking for accessories for the Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, or Genesis GV60. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody. Are you a new or existing owner of a Hyundai Ioniq 5? Then check out my store, because I got a bunch of cool new stuff to show you. So obviously you got the OG magnetic eyewear holder, but I've also got a new magnet shaped like the Ioniq 5 wheel. Do you like big 40-ounce water bottles or tiny little cans? Well, I've got both. This one shrinks your cup holder, while this one enlarges it. I've also got some for the rear seat. I've also got a keychain that resembles the charging indicator in the charge port, and if you don't even want to see this charge port indicator when you're charging at night, you can go ahead and cover it up with this little guy. These LEDs flash very bright at night, so you might not want people coming over and looking at them, and when you're done, thanks to these two little nubs, you can go ahead and store it right in your charge port. I design and 3D print these all myself, and every single sale goes towards the channel and helping me grow it a little bit more. So you can purchase any of these products from the links in the descriptions. If you're international, please use my Etsy store. If you're in the US, you can go to my website, ioniqguy.com. You can also purchase them right here without leaving YouTube from the store on my channel page. And if you have any custom requests, shoot me a message because I'm always open to trying something new. So I appreciate you checking them out and I hope you like them.